Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Mobdro is today's app. It helps you to find free video streams online, free channels, news shows, TV shows, movies, sports, gaming, tech related videos and others. It's not available on Google Play Store, but we will tell you from where to download it and how to install and how to use it. So let's start with a video and see how it works. Open browser on your mobile, search Mobdro. Here is the link. Open it, download this app, free video streams for Android. Install this. It's installed. Open it. Accept. Allow permissions. Here are different categories: channels, news, shows, movies, sports, music, gaming, tech and others. Open the channels. Here it shows different channels: ABC, CTV, Global TV, news, watch news channels, movies, select any movie you want to see, others, videos from different categories. Let's play any channel. We play History Channel USA. It's loading. You can see the TV channel here. Go back. Here you see the recently watched or live videos. Here are categories: favorites, recently watched, downloads, live, settings, enable hardware decoding, select languages, sort alphabetically, parental filter. You can on it. Clear search history, never reminded history. You can search any channel or video. So you see how you can watch free TV channels, news, movies and others with this Mobdro app. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.